Welcome to our lesson on formal versus informal English structures. In this video, we will explore how sentence complexity differs between formal and informal communication. Understanding these differences is crucial for using English effectively in different situations, whether you are writing an academic essay or texting a friend. In this lesson, we will focus on two main areas. First, we will examine sentence types, specifically simple, compound, and complex sentences. Second, we will look at how register, which means the level of formality, affects how we construct our sentences in formal versus informal contexts. There are three basic types of sentences in English. A simple sentence contains one independent clause, which is a complete thought that can stand alone. A compound sentence combines two or more independent clauses using coordinating conjunctions like and or but. A complex sentence pairs an independent clause with one or more dependent clauses, which are phrases that cannot stand alone as complete sentences. Let us look at simple sentences. In formal English, we might say, the meeting commences at 9 o'clock. This uses a more formal verb, commences. In informal English, we simply say, the meeting starts at 9. Notice how the informal version is shorter and uses everyday language. Both sentences are simple because they each contain just one independent clause. Now let us examine compound sentences. Formally, we might write, the committee reviewed the proposal and they approved it unanimously. This is compound because it joins two independent clauses. Informally, we would say, they reviewed it and approved it. The formal version is longer and more detailed, while the informal version is direct and concise. Complex sentences are often used more in formal writing. A formal example would be, although the proposal was innovative, the committee decided to reject it because of budget constraints. This sentence has a dependent clause at the beginning and connects multiple ideas. Informally, we might say, they rejected it even though it was innovative because there is no budget. The informal version uses simpler language and structure. Formal language with complex sentences is used in academic writing, business emails, official documents, and professional presentations. You need formal structures when you want to sound authoritative and precise. Informal language with simple sentences is used in text messages, social media posts, casual conversations, and when communicating with friends and family. Choose informal when you want to be friendly and direct. Formal writing typically uses more complex sentences with longer clauses. Passive voice is common in formal English. There are also multiple modifiers that add detail to nouns and verbs. Informal writing prefers simple sentences with short clauses. Active voice is used more frequently. The structure is direct and straightforward, making it easy to understand quickly. Remember these important points. Formal English uses complex sentence structures to show precision and establish authority. Informal English prefers simple structures for clarity and speed. The most important lesson is to match your sentence complexity to your audience and context. Think about who you are writing to and why before you choose your sentence structure. Congratulations! You have now learned the core differences between formal and informal sentence structures. You understand simple, compound, and complex sentences, and you know when to use each one. As you continue learning English, always remember to choose the right sentence complexity for every situation. This skill will make your English more effective and appropriate in any context.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.